You wanna hack on a server and mess with admins? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Wurst hacked client. Just come on and click on your browser. Type in Wurst hacked client 1.21.11. Type in the version that you want to play on, and then this will pop up. Click on the first link, and let's download this one. Click on that. After you click on that, come down, and there's a Wurst client over there. Just press on that. And by the way, guys, use public API to work with this. If you don't know how to download mods, just go ahead and watch my other video, and then you can come back. And then you need to come to mods list to download Fabric API. Here's Fabric API. Download, choose your version, and say download. After these two are downloaded, type in and click on your command to Minecraft launcher. Click on installations. Choose the version that you want to play and should mod it. Click on files. Scroll down to tell you some mods. Double click. Just drag these two mods onto the mods file. Just drag them over here. You can close these all. Just launch your game. After your Minecraft has launched, you can just join single player or multiplayer. Join the world that you want to play on. And now, guys, when you press on left alt, this will pop up. You can just use every single hack you want. Like, let's say you want to fly in survival mode, click on flight and you can start flying. Or let's say you want to auto sprint, you can auto sprint like this. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you learned something from this video.